Hello, I'm doing a home tour today in a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom rancher in the heart of Windermere in the Fairwood Crest neighborhood, also known as Brentwood because of the Brentwood Elementary School. It's a cute area, cute house. Come take a look. Here's the front yard from the porch. Cute neighborhood. Here's the house. It's got a newer roof on it. And it looks like raspberries over there. Entry area right up into the living room. Nicely staged. Fireplace. And then right to the kitchen. Appliances. It's all been updated. New flooring. Well, and then original hardwood flooring. Large backyard with a garden area. All on the sprinkler system. Oh, I left the front door open. The entry area. This is a coat closet right here. And then on this side we have a little pantry closet. And this one goes to the downstairs. We'll go see that in a minute. Go here straight into the bathroom. On the left we have a bedroom. And on this side is a linen closet. And a full bath. We got another bedroom here. These beautiful hardwood floors. And this is the primary bedroom. It has closets on both sides right here as you enter in. Closet. A large bed there. And you got a 3/4 bath here with a shower. Heading downstairs. It's a new carpet. Still have that new carpet smell. 2 bedrooms right here, egress windows, and then we have could be used as a second living room, or if you really want to, could be another primary suite. Got a bathroom. It's the 3rd bathroom. It's a full bath, and the toilet's kind of around the here corner. A large space. And then here you have a reading nook, or maybe a little office space, or whatever you'd like. Reading closets on this side, the egress window. And here we have a mechanical room and laundry. Over here in the hallway we got a little storage spot. Behind the stairs there. laundry and mechanical room. And I've got extra storage back here. Some storage space. Last thing I want to do is go take you up and see the backyard. So the gas furnace and a newer AC unit. Go back up the stairs. I guess we didn't see the garage either. Through that door is the garage. Patio area. All grass. And right back there is a church. So this area in the back really doesn't get used. Pretty, well, with no neighbors in the back. You see there's a pull-through in the garage. We'll see that from the other side. That's nice if you want to do yard work in the back. You can pull your vehicle straight through. And then, two-car garage. Nothing really special. It does have that pull-through.